Good afternoon, my fellow people. My name is Opilolo. We are outside on the street of Lagos, where we'll be asking random people to complete the lyrics of any artist song we play. I want to flex my love. I want to press. I want to press.
You want to see crazy?
I want to carry my love away to the place she loves. Mama. I want to press. Mama. I want to carry my love away to the place she loves. Oh, Daiwo. Oh, Daiwo. Yeah. Oh, Daiwo.